I'm going to give you a warning. Bitcoin is going under $20,000 and the crypto crash, it's going to get worse. And I'm going to tell you why. We have the macroeconomic environment working against us. We have a recession. We have the Federal Reserve working against us. They're doing quantitative tightening. We have the risk of Tether being the next Celsius and Luna. We have the risk of Michael Saylor getting margin called. In the short run, Bitcoin, it's temporarily going to go up. So you're going to see a bounce up. It's going to come down. And then it's going to crash hard. So this is going to be your classic dead cat bounce. And I hope you understand that historically speaking, when Bitcoin reaches the bottom, it falls 80% or more from its peak. So you could take a look and you can take a look for yourself. 2011, Bitcoin falls more than 90%. 2015, Bitcoin falls 83%. 2018, Bitcoin falls 84%. 2022, Bitcoin is down 69%, so a little bit more to go. If history repeats, I'll see you at 12,000. And a lot of people are saying this time it's different. And that's what they said in 2015 and 2018. But no, really, this time it's different. That's what they said in 2015 and 2018 also. If you think the pain is over, do you realize that the Federal Reserve, they just started the quantitative tightening process? So they're going to be sucking out $47.5 billion out of our economic system each month. In September, they're going to be upping it to $95 billion a month. That's going to be a very challenging macroeconomic environment. So more money in the system, asset prices go up. Less money in the system, asset prices go down. So we got through the bad news. Here's the good news. We're going to crash, but we're going to get through this. And the crash, that's going to be an opportunity for you to make a lot of money. You buy low, you sell high, but you have to be patient. Don't get antsy. That's for amateurs. So I understand that you want to score big overnight, but that's not how this is going to work. If you want to get rich, you're going to have to play your cards right and wait patiently for the crash, the big one. That's when you're going to deploy your capital. And we're almost there. So the big question is, when is the Federal Reserve going to discontinue quantitative tightening? I guarantee you it's not going to be tomorrow, it's not going to be next month, but it might be sooner than you think. It may be as early as Q1 of 2023. So in reality, the Federal Reserve, they inflated financial assets during the pandemic. So Bitcoin and altcoins, they were no exception. The Federal Reserve, they crashed cryptos and they're going to continue crashing cryptos. And then the Federal Reserve, when they stop tightening, because they're forced to, that's going to create new all-time highs for crypto. Until then, enjoy the dead cat bounce, prepare for the crash, and I'll see you under $20,000. Please take care.